When it comes to tough, reliable tool storage, Matrack delivers. Every feature has been designed to keep your tools secure, organised and ready for action. It's also been built tough for serious job site demands. The entire Matrack range comes with reinforced metal padlock eyelets, a hidden security tracker slot and a gasket-sealed lid as standard, providing added peace of mind for protecting your gear on and off-site. The track mount system allows all Matrack components to be effortlessly attached to each other for secure stacking, whilst the one-hand latch release makes for easy removal of the stacks. The roll-on tool chest is the base of the Matrack system and what makes it stand out from every other system on the market. Designed with durability and practicality in mind, this heavy-duty chest makes transporting your tools effortless, thanks to rugged 9-inch all-terrain wheels that take the strain out of moving across rough ground. Loading and unloading into a van or truck is simple, with a retractable handle featuring non-slip Gecko grips and the rear support handle to help with the lift. For quick access, the 4 large glove-friendly latches make opening the chest stress-free, while the lid support arms and secure bracket holds the lid securely in place. The horizontal layout with dual-hinged removable lid gives you full access from both sides. And inside you'll find smart organisation options, including multiple lid mounting points, a storage tray and a MOLLE panel divider, giving you flexible storage however you work. At the front of the chest, the cleat mount system lets you securely stack the extra large toolbox on the front, supported by the handle when extended. With a massive 82-litre capacity and 113kg load rating, the rolling tool chest is ready for the toughest jobs. All of our Matrack toolboxes feature multiple lid mounting points for custom organisation. The large toolbox is designed with the same horizontal layout as the rolling tool chest, and along with the same large extension toolbox, features the same dual-hinged removable lid, providing easy access from both sides, even when stacked. Glove-friendly latches and a convenient one-hand latch release makes access a breeze, and the 3 large comfort grip handles makes carrying your gear easy, even when fully loaded. Inside the large toolbox, you'll find a lid support arm, handy storage tray, and a MOLLE panel divider. With a 63-litre capacity and a 45kg load rating, it's a tough, reliable storage solution. And the extra large extension toolbox, coming in at 58.5-litre capacity and 45kg load rating, these cases are built for demanding work. Then, for those essential hand tools and small parts, the medium toolbox delivers lightweight, compact convenience. With a comfort grip handle, the same secure latching system and a single-sided opening, it's quick to access your tools. Inside, you'll find 2 deep trays for tools, and 2 shallow trays with dividers for small parts. Fittings, fasteners and small parts. Keeping them organised and easy to access saves time and frustration on the job. That's where the Matrack organiser range comes in. Smart, durable storage designed for the real-world side demands. All our Matrack organisers feature a comfort grip handle and a clear ribbed lid so you can easily see what's inside, whilst the removable bins nest for space efficiency and can be mounted to the wall or lid. The deep medium organiser has a single-sided opening and 11 5-inch deep removable bins with dividers and label slots for flexible organisation. And with up to 25% more holding capacity than leading competitors, you can carry more without sacrificing space. For tighter spaces, the low-profile medium organiser offers smart, stackable storage with the same robust design. With the single-sided opening, 11 removable bins with dividers, label slots, and increased capacity, maximising space efficiency. And for small jobs or compact spaces, the deep compact organiser delivers. A single-sided opening and 5 deep removable bins that include label slots provide easy organisation with up to 25% more holding capacity. Big or small, stacked or on the move, the Matrack storage range keeps your tools and parts secure, organised and ready to work. Matrack. Modular storage, built for work.